Now, I'm not just here to look good and hold the mic, but I do look very well for that. We're here to celebrate a major milestone of our amazing graduates. After all the hard work, coffee-fueled days, and maybe a few panic tease messages, they made it. So let's keep the energy high, the applause loud, and the speeches under 5 minutes. Just kidding. So let's get started. To officially open today's celebration, all right, thank you for that. And sorry for the live. It's a live opening remark. So let's get started. So officially open today's celebration. It's my honor to introduce someone who truly embodies leadership and growth, both of which we're here to celebrate today. Please welcome A.M. Randolph Almonte.
So I want everyone to first reflect. Where we were 6 months ago. Kasi syempre kasama ko naman So this really is for you guys. This is a moment to commemorate yung hardships ninyo, struggles ninyo, both personal and professional hardships. Syempre everyone has something. So, this is a really auspicious time for all of us, you know? For 6 months, we have really stuck to our guns. We have really worked to put our noses against the grindstone para ma-achieve tong milestone na to. So, wala ka. So yung daily natin na on-site, diba? I remember, during one of our huddles, I told you guys na showing up. Kasi malit sa inyo. Sabi ko sa inyo, showing up is half the battle. That's why I'm always asking you to show up. So for the last 6 months, I've seen a lot of you consistently show up. So which is also one of the reasons kung ba't na-achieve natin itong milestone na to. So now, with your regularization, with your graduation, now it's not just about showing up. It's also about showing out. So dapat, we have to be better than what we currently are. We have to improve. We have to show na based on this governance. So we have to improve talaga. Kasi we already reached the milestone, regular na tayo. So now I ask you guys, what comes next? You know, kasi syempre, it might not be evident to you right now, you might not be thinking about it right now, but there's also a call for you guys to step up, diba? And like I always say during our coaching sessions are na the willingness has to come from me, but the readiness is from the both of us. So I have to set you guys up for success. But I can only do that kapag you work with me. Or you nag-coaching na. But yun lang, guys, I really want to commemorate and congratulate all of you because it really isn't easy. Diba? Lalo na nung naka-onsite tayo, really isn't easy. Gising ka ng maaga, uwi ka ng maaga, uwi ka ng maaga. But yeah, I really want to thank you guys for the last 6 months for being present. And, you know, for really sticking to it, no matter how hard the process is, no matter how many challenges we encounter. So yun lang, parang for me, take this occasion natin ngayon, itong graduation natin, as a way to celebrate your wins, but don't rest on your laurels. There's always room for improvement, there's always opportunities for improvement, so we should always take those opportunities in stride. Be myself, step on the line. So yun lang sana guys, thank you so much and congratulations again.
Alright, thank you so much, Amy and Randall from London. And now, before we move on, let's take a look back to our graduates' journey. Guys, the reason why we chose the song because we didn't know if this is the end or you will still continue. But then, alright, they came, they learned, they conquered the coffee machine, and now they're ready to, they're ready for the real challenges. The best is yet to come. And now, behind every successful journey are the people who guide, support, and cheer us on. And today, we are lucky to hear from them. These individuals have played a key role in shaping the experience of our graduates, offering guidance, encouragement, and sometimes a gentle push when it was needed most. Please join me in welcoming our support to share a few words on reflection. First, we have from prepaid team, Giza Gurahan.
Good afternoon po. So, gusto ko na sabihin na congratulations po sa inyo lahat, lalo-lalo na din sa prepaid team. So, on behalf of kasi alam mo naman na si Da talaga yung nag-push sa inyo para umabot kayo sa part na to. So, gusto ko rin mag-thank you sa lahat ng mga effort nyo and dedication and palakpakan nyo yung sarili nyo kasi hindi lahat ng mga aso umaabot sa ganitong part. So, yun, congratulations and I hope na magkasama pa tayo ng maraming taon and I hope na mag-grow kayo dito sa Kerlon and nandiyo sa prepaid. So, yun lang po. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ms. Giza Gurahan. And now let's hear from our IQD support. Let's welcome John Lennon Duruy.
First and foremost, congratulations sa batch 15 na IQT. Thank you din sa opportunity na pinagkaloob nila ng mga AMs, AM Botod, nila AM Body, and lahat ng mga AMs nila AM Day to become your support guys. Thank you din thank you din kasi nabigay ko yung ibang knowledge ko regarding sa IQT, share ko sa inyo, and hopefully ay ma-apply nyo throughout your journey dito sa Kerlon. And syempre, maging motivation din yun na para mas
Good na, charot.
galingan pa natin as a team, hindi lang individually.
Silang yun ano.
So, ayun, again, thank you guys. And galingan nyo palagi. Not to drag you down guys, pero mas maganda na as a team tayo magtutulungan, hindi lang individually. So yung individual scorecard is given na yun, pero kung as a team, mas magiging okay yung buong LOB na. So yun lang po. Thank you.
Thank you so much once again for both of you, for those inspiring words. All right, we now come to one of the most anticipated parts of the program, the presentation of certificates. This is the moment to honor the hard work, dedication, and growth each graduate has demonstrated throughout this journey. And as your name called, please come forward to receive your certificates, and may we ask the AEMs to please come at the front to assist in giving the certificates. Let's start with our prepaid team. Bernardo Chelsea. Cantos Paulo Victor. De la Cruz Agnes. Fernandez Brandalin. Guevara Kristen Gay. Manalo Rosalie. Menendez Shello. Valentino Kathleen. And Velasquez Angelica. Congratulations to our pre-made team. Now we go on to our ITT team. Alex Levy. Lara Louise. Valenzuela. My name is Arvin Carr. Condition Alistair J. David Emmanuel. Deborah Giselle Marie.
Very Latina!
Pwede ba titig?
Espiritu Diane Angela.
Para sa Max! Ilan, hindi nakita yung Max.
Larka Allison. Galgo Neresita. Gallardo Noemi. Herodes Christian.
Go, Mayor! Tiktok daw, TikTok! Bakit siya? Ayan na rin.
Dawit Elaine.
Dapat peso kasi.
Sorry.
Pag lalaki kasi yung B.
Okay.
Morales Angelica. Polo Jericho.
Ang pili mo!
Ramirez Beta Monica. Reyes Angele. And Camilla Christine.
Ah, video man. Yan na.
Alright, let's give one more round of applause to all our graduates and congratulations once again. You've earned this moment and we look forward to seeing the great things you'll accomplish moving forward. As we continue with our program, let us take a moment to celebrate not just the certificates, but the joy behind them, the learning, the growth, and the persistence. Now to keep the momentum going and to add a special touch on our celebration, we have a performance that we're surely you'll enjoy. Let's welcome Paolo Cantos as he puts a smile on our faces. That was a jaw-dropping performance, and it's spectacular. Thank you, and that's what a great way to celebrate this special occasion. Let's give him another round of applause. And now, to continue, let's hear inspiring messages after that jaw-dropping performance. Let's hear inspiring messages from our AMs. Let's have AM Brent Nido and AM Kat Pantas.
Yo. So, di ko rin alam ba't ako nandito. Feeling ko, pinagkakatiwalaan ako ng mga AMs. Yung, na baka may sasabihin ako importante. In short, feeling important. But definitely, my experience probably taught me na baka nga di nakikinig sa akin. Kaya na-invite ako. Pwedeng trip lang nila. Kasi nagkasi lang ako. So, in my tenure of, if you don't know, I was the previous trainer for theater. So, in my tenure of teaching so many batches, isa lang lagi kong sinasabi. At dahil ko sa sinasabi na ako, lagi ko sinasabi, napapa-FGD ako. Alam ko hindi ako motivational speaker in some sense, but I want to impart something in you guys na medyo real talk. So ito yung na-experience ng pre-play kanina. Ewan ko anong feeling ko kanina dun sa ginawa nating presentation, but definitely ito yung lagi kong sinasabi after training. Okay? Pwede na kayong tanggalin. It might be hard kung papakinggan nyo lang. Pwede na kaming tanggalin. Regular mga kami, sir. Tapos pwede na kaming tanggalin. Why am I saying this? Because majority of people who get regularized get complacent. They feel like na, regular na, hindi na ako matatanggal. But no, this is one of the big mistakes every employee do encounter, especially the millennials, fresh grads. So, yes, pwede pa po. Hindi po kayo dinimotivate. It's just that gusto kong makaisip kayo na sabi nga ni AMDB kanina, you showed up for 6 months. What's stopping you for showing up in years to come? Madali yung 6 months. Definitely, nagawa niyo na 6 months. Uulitin lang natin ito. Sir, parang sinasabi mong love your job. Not everyone loves their job. But everyone definitely, or someone will definitely love the life that your job provides. So show up. Uulitin lang natin kung ginawa natin for 6 months. Tuloy-tuloy lang. Next, isa sa mga nakikita ko during the kind of the trainees before is that why are they failing after the training? They forget to learn how to communicate. You have your trainers, Jomeli and Mrs. You were communicating almost on a daily basis. When you get your AMs, you forget. Again, communication is a two-way street. It's not just you talking, but also you listening. So, kung gagawin nyo lang ito, hindi matutupad yung sinabi ko na pwede na kayo natanggal. But then again, definitely, kailangan isipin natin. There are cases na pwede mag-motivate. Pero wag nyo gawin yung motivation. Wala ako sa mga. Wag gawin yung motivation na pwede ako matanggal. We have our, sabi nga, we have our purposes. Pwedeng purpose ko to make friends, definitely that's still a purpose. It's a valid purpose. I will not invalidate your feeling, but we have our purposes. Tuloy lang natin. So again, congratulations. Finally, welcome to the family as official members of the board. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, AM Brent. And now let's hear another message from AM Kat Pantas.
Hello, good afternoon. Halos nasabi na rin nila AM Randolph and Sir Brent yung mga dapat sabihin talaga. At siguro I'll make it short and sweet na lang. As my personality, charot. Siguro nung natatandaan ng PPA team, nung first kami nag-meet, ang una ko sinabi sa kanila is to be curious sa mga kung ano man yung may encounter nila. So gusto ko ma-instill pa rin sa inyo na you stay curious. Kagaya na sabi ni Sir Brent kanina, parang maging consistent pa din. So kung ano yung nasimulan natin, we should consistently improve or i-maintain kung ano man yun. So, ayun. And of course, I would like to congratulate everyone since, you know, you made this far of your journey here in Quirón. So, I'm pretty sure some of you nandun na din sa point na nahihirapan sa mga process. Especially, it is bago, something bago sa inyo. At siguro mostly, walang background for claims or anything. But, of course, lahat naman tayo nagsimula talaga sa pagiging bago. At hindi naman lahat nag-i-start na alam kagad at magaling kagad. Well, iba ako. Ganun na, magaling kagad ako siya. Tuloy yung ano ko, pero ayun, hindi, joke lang. Ayun, so, okay lang na mag-fail, but as long as you are aware ano yung dapat nating i-improve. Sabi ko nga, doon sa isang na-coach ko, sabi niya, aware siya sa mga pagkakamali niya. But hindi kasi natatapos doon na aware ka sa kung ano yung pagkakamali mo. You should be aware as well na kung ano yung i-improve mo doon sa pagkakamali niya. So, yun lang po. Again, congratulations everyone and welcome to Prepay and IQD Quirón Payment Integrity. Thank you.
Thank you so much, AM Kat Pantapas. And now, may we ask our AMs to please come to the front to assist us in during the awarding. Now comes with the most exciting parts of today's ceremony, the awards. This is the chance to recognize individuals who've gone above and beyond, not just meeting expectations, but exceeding them with dedication, innovation, and great deal of heart. These awards are more than just a recognition, they're a celebration of effort, excellence, and impact its person has made. So without further ado, let's begin with Prepay Team. Best in Quality, to Valentino Kathleen. Next is the Best in Productivity. Goes to De La Cruz Agnes. Congratulations to our best in attendance, Valentino Kathleen. Let's move on to our IQT awardee, Best in Quality, RQA Ramirez Ella Monica. Also, congratulations to our Best in Productivity, David Emmanuel. Also, Best in Attendance goes to Marceliano Hanazela. And for our Prepay Top trainees. Top 3 training goes to
Thank you.
Guevara Christine. Also, congratulations to our top 2 training, Manalo Rosalind. And our top 1 training, Valentino Kathleen. And for our IQ, the top training, top 3 training goes to Gabor Resida. And our top 2 training, Espiritu Dayan Angela. And our top 1 training, David Emmanuel. Congratulations to our BPay and IQT awardee. Now let's move on to our support awardees. This is what we call Mentor in Action. Ruin John Lennon. Garcia Faith Joy. Gerham Jizza. Alright, congratulations everyone to those persons who received an award. May we call on everyone to please come to the front for picture taking. Everyone, those who receive an award, please come to the front. Everyone, BPay and IQT awardees. Everyone, my apology. It's everyone, please come to the front for our picture taking. congratulations to both our awardees. Alright, and as we come to the close of today's celebration, it's my honor to invite our operations manager to share their closing thoughts. May we ask OM John Cheng to please, yes, OM John Cheng.
Hi everyone, good afternoon. Okay ka ba lahat? Masaya ba lahat na nakagraduate? Yes. Of course, yes. So, siguro, ma-message ko sa inyo is congratulations, of course. On behalf of Weng for PP team, so congratulations. I know that this graduation doesn't mean that it's gonna be the end of everything. No? It's just the start of something that, you know, we could improve more, like for productivity, quality. It's a start of investing more when it comes to performance. So, for those na medyo nagdedelicate to sa productivity and quality or performance, siguro ang message ko sa inyo is to challenge yourself, diba? Question the process kung bakit may mga process na kailangan naman, na hindi na talaga kailangan pero kailangan siya ng skill. So, challenge that and make sure to communicate with your managers or assistant managers kung ano yung mga pwede natin improve when it comes to the process. Kasi parang it's gonna be, you know, an improvement para sa performance din natin, not just for the business but for our individual performances as well. So, yun yung pinaka-challenge ko sa inyo. Okay? So, especially for IQT, I know that we have so many processes na sanga-sanga. So, yun yung dapat natin mag-question kung dapat ba natin wino-work yun. Okay. So, yun yung pinaka-challenge sa inyo. And then, seeing that everyone has been here for 6 months, so congratulations again. Always look back, 7 months, 8 months na naghahanap tayo ng work, always look back, tayo nandito ngayon, diba? So, we should also be thankful na meron tayong career company that accepted us. So, hopefully, yung mga ginagawa natin is for the company and for ourselves as well. Diba? So, yun yung pinaka magandang i-look back natin when we start. Siguro, pinaka-final message ko is to, you know, think of the things that you are also grateful. But daily, kahit gaano pa kaliit yan, that you should be thankful pa as well, diba? Nagising ka for the day, be grateful. Of course, diba? So, nakakain ka ng breakfast mo, be grateful, diba? So, let's a routine na full of positivity pa rin. Kasi parang, work is gonna be stressful kahit sa bang company yan. So, we have to make sure na we live in a world full of positivity. And we don't really entertain much of negativity. Meron talaga siya, pero let's go on the positive side. But parang sabi nga ni silver lining something. But yun, make sure lang na we don't dwell too much on the negative side. Okay? Agree ba lahat? Yes! Thank you. And again, congratulations everyone. Happy Friday.
Thank you so much, OM John Cheng. And everyone, congratulations again, and that concludes our graduation ceremony. My name again is Limueta Loriaga. Thank you all for joining us, and congratulations again to our graduates, and have a great day, everyone.
Hello, hello. Hi everyone. Please don't leave your seats yet. We have food prepared for you, so just stay there. Alright guys, while waiting for the food, if you have your phones with you, you can go ahead and check out Parent Integrity Community in Facebook as we are actually live. Yung graduation is naka-live doon. So, kindly check it out. Hello. Alright, so everyone, kindly go ahead and line up this way for your food. Para po mabilisan. Thank you. Sige po, kindly for 2 lines. Para mabilis tayo. Alam ko, na kayo. Congratulations,